Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you what the difference between an artifact, text and a reflection is, and basically all different types of content that you can choose between. Now first of all, artifact. An artifact is your very stock standard file, okay? So that is if you've uploaded stuff to your ePortfolio that is a file like a Word document, a PDF, things like that. That's all it is. So you just click the file it is and you can just do that and then add it, okay? If you want to write something, then you have to click the text area. So if you're just writing it on the spot or you're copy and pasting something from Word, that's what you do here. Okay. The area name is just for your reference, that way you know what section you're talking about, but will not appear in your presentation. A reflection is basically where you as it says, reflecting on something. So if you've got an assignment up there or something, then you can upload those. Now the way to actually create them, because once you're in your presentation you're just going to be importing them into your presentation, but the way to upload, so if we go back to the portfolio, this is where you need to upload them. So if you can upload a file, that will become an artifact. Okay, so upload means file. New, this is where you create a reflection or a collection. By the way, collections are absolutely pointless. I do not recommend anyone making one. You basically create a folder, which is what this information is. You put stuff in that folder. However, then when you want to upload that to your presentation, you have to upload them individually, just like you would have to anyway. So it's absolutely pointless. So I would not recommend that at all. However, reflection can be useful. So you click on the reflection, this comes up. Just type in what the reflection is, what it's about. So I'm just going to say assignment 1. Type in your reflection. I really enjoyed it. Whatever you want to be writing. Any tag so that way people can search it. And if you want people to comment on it or not, okay? So save and close, and then that's your reflection. That's all it is. Okay, and you can edit that as you wish as well, or you can then just quickly go to add to presentation. Find the presentation that you want to add it to. Select the page. And you're done. And then that would be on the presentation. So if you went back to the presentation, let's just see whether it's there or not. Page 1, assignment 1, reflection. Okay, so that's how you attach it. Okay, alternatively, if you had have done it before you made your presentation, as I already showed you, just do add component and then attach your reflection by clicking there. Okay, now information from my profile is all your information, just your stock standard information. Now your profile is, if you look over here, this is my profile here. So if you click on your profile, that's all the information is going to come up. Okay, so it's got your social networks, it's got your name, your hometown, your city, whatever you want to put in there, it's in there. Okay, so when you're doing add information from my profile, it's literally just copy and pasting all that information. Alright. Now the other stuff, which I'll quickly show you, the other stuff you don't really need to worry about. So if we go back into that component section, this stuff, so artifact or reflection from a collection. Remember, as I said, the collection is absolutely pointless, so don't make one of those, so you won't have to worry about that. Artifact or reflections from learning objective. I found that this does not exist anymore. It might be an old system which is no longer in use, so you can ignore that one as well. And then you just need to worry about your reflection, your text area, information from my profile, and artifact. Okay, so in summary, an artifact is a file that you upload from your computer. It can be any type of file. A reflection is just a text document where you're reflecting on a certain issue. So if you upload an artifact, you can then attach a reflection after it, so that way you can reflect on it and your employer or your tutor can see you've reflected and you can see what you've learned from that assignment. The text area is just very simple text, and then information from my profile is just copying all your stock standard information. Okay, and that is all you need to know about the different content types.